how to mute or unmute someone in Facebook stories. So we'll open our Facebook here, and we can see a lot of stories here. So what we can do is like we can see there are like a lot of people, but after long pressing someone, like the one we don't want to see their stories, we can simply long press their story and get an option of mute, and we can simply mute that story easily. So here I am muting this one, and I will even show you by muting some another story here. So here I am choosing one of them, and here you can see that I can simply get an option of mute story, and that is how we can mute them. And what we can do is we can go in our profile and we can click on our settings and privacy. Then we can simply see options of stories right there. We will click on it and we'll click on story privacy, and we can like click on the story hide from, or we don't want to see story option, so we can simply search their name. And yeah, that is how we can mute and unmute someone's stories in Facebook story.